Come on, Bella. Let's play a game.
Okay, Danny. What shall we play?
How about kickball? It's fun.
Okay, but I don't know how.
It's easy, Bella. You just kick the ball.
I know that, but where do we kick it?
Just anywhere. It's a lot of fun.
Hey, this is fun. Thanks, Danny.
Come on, Mia. Let's play.
Okay, Alex. What shall we play with?
How about the blocks? We can build a tower.
Okay, but I don't know how to build a tall one.
It's easy, Mia. You just stack the blocks.
I know that, but how do I make it stay up?
Try putting the bigger blocks on the bottom.
Hey, this is fun. Thanks, Alex.
Hey, Lily, let's draw pictures.
Okay, Ben. What should we draw?
How about a cat? They're easy.
Okay, but I don't know how to draw a cat.
It's easy, Lily. Just draw a circle for the head and then add ears.
I know that, but how do I draw the eyes?
Little circles inside the big circle.
Hey, this is fun. Thanks, Ben.